And we're back to learning Affinity in a year, day 82. Let me show you how I can create transparent strokes. Let me use the type tool. Let me type, for example, stroke in. I size it up. Then we use FX. We add an outline right here. I'm going to make that red for now, and I use a radius of, let's say, 10 pixels. Now we can see it. I click on the plus sign right here to add more outlines. Let me make the second one yellow. So that's the one below. I make that 20 pixels, and now we can see both strokes. I copy it 2 times more. So once again, I click on this plus sign. For the third one, I go to 30 pixels and I make it red again. And for the fourth one, I keep it yellow and make it 40 pixels. So we can now see 4 outlines. And now simply pick the ones that you want to make transparent. In this case, I use the reddish ones, so number 1 and 3. And to make it transparent, we simply go down right here with the opacity. So set that to 0%. And for the yellowish ones, we keep the opacity to 100%. And let me make that, for example, black. And now we've got this typical transparent stroke effect. Let me create an element right here. I'll make that red. And I have to rearrange that in the layer. So I have to put it below my stroke text right here. And now you can see that it's actually transparent and not white or anything. So once more, use the opacity for the strokes that you want to make transparent. And this is how this effect is done. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.